At Sterling, our integrated global facilities enable us to support a broad range of project requirements for our customers, primarily for small molecule API and ADC development manufacturing. Welcome to our Deeside, Wales, UK site, which specialises in the discovery, development and clinical manufacture of antibody drug conjugates. Let's focus on 5 things you should know about our Deeside facility. The Deeside facility provides comprehensive bioconjugation services with purpose-built facilities and a specialised team. The site here is fully focused on supporting complex bioconjugation programs. The Deeside site is licensed for clinical GMP manufacturing with certified Grade C and D manufacturing environments. The site is equipped to accommodate manufacture for all clinical trial phases, including release testing and stability studies. The Deeside site delivers extensive analytical expertise with specialised capabilities in mass spectrometry, chromatography, bioassays, and more. The analytical team supports a range of analytical and quality control services optimised for bioconjugation programs. The Deeside facility is designed for hazard banding 5 containment. Our team can safely handle highly potent and cytotoxic materials with fully customised containment equipment designed to project-specific requirements. Finally, the team at Deeside has experience working with a wide variety of targeting molecules, linkers, toxins, and conjugation chemistries. By combining our expertise with support from Sterling's Wisconsin and North Carolina US sites to manufacture linker payloads, we work in partnerships with our customers to develop custom ADCs for a desired therapeutic outcome. Sterling's Deeside team pairs excellence in bioconjugation with close customer collaboration to successfully deliver ADC projects for our customers. Visit sterlingpharmasolutions.com to learn more and take a virtual tour of the Deeside site.